This beautiful chapel reminds me of many of the churches that I've sung in all around the world. And here is one of my most favorite inspirational songs. I come to the garden alone while the dew is still on the roses, and the voice I hear falling on my ear, the Son of God discloses, and He walks with me, and He talks with me, and He tells me I am His own, and the joy we share as we tarry there, none other has ever known. He speaks, and the sound of His voice is so sweet, the birds hush their singing, and the melody that He gave to me within my heart is ringing, and He walks with me, and He talks with me, and He tells me I am His own, and the joy we share as we tarry there, none other has ever known.
Bobby and Elaine add another colorful touch to our show, dancing to the calypso song Yellowbird.
Lucky